Hello and welcome to a new Lakeside Parkway video. Right, in this video what we're going to be doing is building one of scale model sceneries, micro layout baseboards. So what I'll be using this for is basically as a programming track and a servicing track. So yeah, as you can see, this one is a little unique though. Yeah, actually is engraved. Justin did it for me, so thank you very much for that. So very simple. What I'll do first is I'll get the actual thing built, then I'll basically wire it up, show you how to wire it up, show you how to fit the track on it and stuff like that. So very simple. There's quite a few bits. So you get these bits here. You only need these if you're connecting it. So as you can see, I have actually got a second one of these, which will be connected to our portable layout. I've only got one at the minute, but hopefully eventually I'll have one each side to do as a bit of a running. Yeah, but this one, which is, I don't know if you can see there, there you go, engraved, is just for programming trains and basically giving them a bit of a run on the demo. So yeah, what you get in the kit: your two side panels, your two ends, and then your two of them if you need them, and the two bits that connect, and your spare nuts and bolts. Obviously I won't need any of them, so I'll put them to one side. So basically, to build it, it couldn't be simpler. All you'll need, wood glue. So tiny little drop. Put that on like that, and then put it in like that. Same on the next one. So again, try not to squeeze it as much as what I just did, and press it in. I don't know if you saw that. So there you go. And then finally, little drop on there, little drop on there, drop on there, little drop on there, and then just press and press. So that's your basic outline of it done. So and then all you do is you just basically run along all the edges. Just put a little drop, that's all you need. If you put too much, it'll all come seeping out, which isn't a problem. Just it will run down and make it look a bit. So just do it like that. Almost done. There we go. Then, so on this, it's got your middle markers. So basically that tells you where to mount your track. So all you do is you don't have to have it up, but I will, just to make it easier for me. And then you just slot it down. And then that's it, done. So that's your base done. So what I'll do is I'll leave that overnight to dry, and then tomorrow morning what I'll do is I'll fit the track and wire it up, and I've got a couple of ideas because I've got some DCC fitted, well most of my fleet are DCC fitted, but I do still have a couple of DCC non-fitted normal ones, so I would want this to be run with both controllers. So what I'll do is tomorrow I'll show you how I'm going to wire it up so it'll be easy to flick between the two. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Right, we're back. So yeah, bit different than what I said I was going to come back. I actually got it finished. I didn't record it because I thought with the soldering and everything it would be a bit hard to do it on camera. So, but what I'll do is I'll show you around. So, as you can see, the board is dry. We've got our logo on it here. So what I've done is I've fitted one track on there. So if I turn the controller on, as you can see, what I've also done is fitted a LED light on it, basically just to tell me when the power is on, because that's something I always struggle with. Is the chip not working? Is the power not working? So at least with that, I know now the power on the track is on when that light shows. So let me show you how I've done it. So from underneath, what you can see is you've got your two wires that run to the track. So they just come off here and solder onto the track. With the pins, track pins, I've just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got your two ones for your LEDs there. They're just soldered to the opposite side of the power, so I know we've got power all the way through the track. And then they just come through here. And I just use a bit of hot melt glue in there. And then this is where it's really handy, basically what I've done here. So let me turn off the track power, because what I've used is these Waco 221 quick connects. So all you do, just lift them off, take that off, and then basically you can put any type of power in that in. So for me, I just use the Batman Dynamis, but like I say, I have got some analog trains, which I'll just use a cheap Hornby controller for. So yeah, so like I say, they just lock in place. And yeah, that's really it. So power on. So what the plan is with this is to use it as a testing track. So like I say, all I'll do, I'll just get my rolling roads and put them on. Like I say, what I might do is put some markings. As most of my trains are class 660s, it takes me like 5 minutes to get the wheel sets in the right place. So what I might do is put some markings on here where the 66 wheel spacings need to go. I know it's only going to be for that train, not for everything, but that's the most common train that I would test on this. So yeah, if you've got any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Like I say, on the next video, it may say the next video coming up is this video, but I thought I'd get this uploaded first as I've got it done. So like I say, a bit out of order, but yeah. Like I say, if you've got any questions, these are from Scale Model Scenery. So make sure you get on there, hop onto Justin. Like I say, really helpful. I know they're massively busy at the minute, but like I say, if you've got any questions, ask him or Jan. Like I say, they're all really helpful there. So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure you check out our next video. It's a bit of a project on a train, that one is. So yeah, thank you very much. See you later.